So Henrik, that lays out the technical development of it. But there's also another thing that's unique about you is that you studied economics. So you understood business.
Yes.
How most cybersecurity practitioners, I'm probably going to get some bad comments for this, but I don't think they understand business.
Mm.
I don't think they understand how a business operates. If you're going to architect a solution for the business that's a security solution, it's not just technical, right? There's process elements to it, there's people elements. Do you think that there should be business knowledge that should also be part of the training of a cybersecurity practitioner? And if so, how to get it? Because that's something.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. This one is good. You're kind of pointing out one of the things which I think many educations lacked. Mine didn't have any portion of leadership or business management within it. It came something that I needed to get when I were within the field. But I mean, if there would be just a little bit of it, how to put the stuff into the mindset or into the business world, I think that would be super good. And that is something I think is so important today as well. If you want to succeed, and if you want to succeed as a security leader, you're pointing out the truth of what I believe is something that much of the educations are lacking today. The business side. I mean, how should you be able to speak the language of the business without actually speaking about security? Being the translator or being the person who understands the business side and can pivot between the disciplines to make sure that you create value for your company. Because in the end, that is why we're here as security people. We are here to support the company. We are not here for a self-existence if we're not, selling security products, but that is a different kind of business. But if we are there in a business context, we're there to support others to become successful, not ourselves. But of course, we should be good at what we do. So, I mean, and how do you manage it, or how do you become successful? Is if you can't speak the language, if you can get buy-in for what you do, if you can be the person who influences your stakeholders. So yeah,
That's a key one, right? I mean, because without money, nothing really ever happens.
yeah,
But I would also like, if we stepped up to the macro level, if you're going to be a security architect and plan a strategy, the strategy for a business that's selling beverages versus a bank are going to be totally versus a movie studio, totally different approaches to how you would secure their environment in many instances. Some
yes,
commonalities, but the nature of the business is going to dictate things as well, right? And I oftentimes think that cybersecurity folks really just focus on the technical parts of the equation, but they're there to enable the business because that's the only reason for them
yeah,
to exist.
yes,
If you can't make movies or sell a product or do whatever financial deals you do, why do you need cybersecurity? I mean, what's the
yeah,
point?
exactly, yeah, and no one wants to pay for it either. No one wants to pay more for a movie ticket and say, hey, this movie ticket is secure. No one wants to pay that extra for the movie ticket or for the beverages. But it's still needed, right? Otherwise,
Yes.
you can be out of business if you don't have security in place.